Today question. How many surah are in Holy Quran? 166, 122, 144, 114. Correct answer. Today question. How many verses are in Holy Quran? 666, 88, 777, 66. Correct answer. Today question. How many rak are in Holy Quran? 900, 1000, 1100, 1200. Correct answer. Today question. How many letters are in Holy Quran? 313,671, 333,671, 323,671, 343,671. Correct answer. Today question. How many words are in Holy Quran? 77,701, 77,702, 77,703, 77,704. Correct answer. Today question. How many parts are in Holy Quran? 60, 20, 30, 40. Correct answer. Today question. How many times Basmala is repeated? 112, 114, 116, 110. Correct answer. Today question. How many surahs start with Bismillah? 112, 114, 113, 110. Correct answer. Today question.
How many times the word Quran is repeated in Holy Quran?
70, 50, 55, 60. Correct answer. Today question. Which is the longest surah of Holy Quran?
Surah Baqarah, Surah Yasin.
Surah Al-Mulk.
None of these.
Correct answer. Subscribe for more video.